This steering wheel is out of a 1950 GMC truck. Assuming it's a diesel truck, I don't know. It's a 22-inch steering wheel, and it was in really rough shape when it got here. Take a look at the before pictures, and you'll see what a drastic change has been made to this wheel. So it was black originally, and he wanted to change it to white. It was completely cracked up. This is the old Bakelite material, so now it looks literally brand spanking new. So we're going to get this all packed up, sent back out to the customer, and this old truck that he's restoring is going to look amazing. So we do every steering wheel here. That's why we show these videos, just so you'll know that there's nothing that we don't do at Craft Customs when it comes to steering wheels, any steering wheel in the world. So follow us on our channels, share us with others so people know that this service does exist, and you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it. craftcustoms.com.